Well, welcome again to Live, Die, Survive. I'm Harvey Hill, the host. I just want to post something I still have a friend, has an Apple iPhone. And we all know Apple iPhones, the battery can't be disconnected without major work. Some other cell phones might be this way, but if you want to make sure you're totally secure with your phone so nobody can, say, log into your phone and hear your conversations and anything like that. We also, your TVs, there are apps to try and make yourself secure. Now, my friend is in the military, so he's got an Apple iPhone. When he's home, he doesn't want anybody to go into his phone and transmit what they're saying or anything else like that. So, if you put the phone in a microwave, it can't be touched because it won't receive or transmit. Okay, the problem lies with my friend is, and this is why I want to touch base with you, it's an excellent idea if you can't pull your battery to put it in the microwave if you don't want anybody to really tap into your iPhone or anything else like that. Put it in the microwave, close the door. The problem lied is he only had one microwave, and he apparently pushed it in the back, and it was a larger microwave. His wife didn't see it, put a cup of something in there to heat. She closed the door and turned it on and fried his Apple cell phone. Wait. So, what he needs to do, or if anybody does it, what I recommend, since microwaves turn so cheap, go out and buy $30 to $60 microwave. Doesn't have to be big, as long as it's a microwave. And do not use it, and cut off the cord. And do not use it, and put your iPhones or electronic devices into the microwave. Close the door, and you'll be safe. Now my friend's spending, I don't know, $1,200, $1,300 for a new iPhone because his wife cooked it. So it's, if you're one of these people, I just simply pull my battery because I can pull my battery. But if you can't pull your battery and you want to be secure, put it into the microwave, close the door, and do not turn on the microwave. Take care. Again, I'm Harvey Hill from Live, Die, Survive. Have a pleasant night.